Hello guys, it's your boy Johnini and once again, welcome for a new tutorial. Today we're doing BTS Hooligan, all right? So it's gonna be the chorus, which is 4 times 8, and we're gonna take very slowly, 1/8 at a time.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances,
And we post a video every week.
Now back to the tutorial.
Let's go into it. You just wanna start stepping forward with your right. Same time, your right hand's going out like this. This is on 1. Yes, if you want, you can slide 1. And then you're gonna kick on 2 with your left leg. Bam, middle kick. All right, let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your 1, 2. Again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Then you're gonna bring back the left, collect, boom, and that's on 3. At the same time, point to the left, right, left, right. So just with your right hand, you're going boom, 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 boom. Upper body can groove, follow, 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 and that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop on 7 towards the left. 8, collect with a pop forward. 8, 1. One more time, sorry, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're gonna drop. 7, 8, 1. Notice that this time I'm going forward with my upper body. Boom, boom. Okay? Let's move on to the second part. So I was here, 8, 1. I'm gonna open my hands on 2 in front of my chest. 2. Okay, so 8, 1, 2. And I'm gonna drop on 3, drop, and it's a freestyle. So freestyle on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you go 8 and 1. Let's go slow again. Here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring up your left hands here, up. Ready to lift your right leg and jump on the left to give me a bam, bam. And that's you 8, 1. So basically a little jump, boom, boom, boom. Yes. Slowly it goes, jump on your left and left. Let's put the first 2 8 together. Slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Freestyle on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Let's move on to the third 8. So I was here on 1. I just gonna step back and drop everything on 2 to come up on 3 and give me the ha 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 ha. This one you can do it your own way, like this, like that, whatever. Put your own personality into it. And that's gonna be on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bring over again, 8 and 1. This time notice that I'm going backward, boom, boom. So it's not the same as the first one. All right, so I'm here, slow. 7, 8, 1, 2, this is fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So let's try those 3, 8 together from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, let's do the last 8, the fourth one. So we were here, boom, 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 1. You just relax in your hands. I'm gonna step forward with my right leg and right hand pointing upwards, boom. That's on 3. Then you switch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So basically, I'm just stepping, boom, right leg, left leg, right leg, and back with my right to go a little bit down and giving a bam, bam, a little head movement. So it goes, ah, boom, ah, da, boom, ah, da, boom, back, hit, hit. Yes, now with the count, we did 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And that's it, guys. But let's review everything, all the 4 counts, slowly from the top together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.